Good morning, everyone. This morning's message is for who it is for. And in words of the late Robert Nesta Marley, Bob Marley, on your screen it reads, and I quote, "Get up, stand up for your right." End quote. There's a person that wrote to me just yesterday. That person lost a parent due to criminal activities. Now that person wishes to be silent out of fear and stating that they will just leave it to God. And whilst leaving it to God is okay, but staying silent out of fear, it is not doing any justice at all to your deceased parent. There's another person that is having work-related issues that is remaining silent because they don't want to offend others. But their perception of things is better than what is presented. So listen to me this morning, both of you and others out there who are silencing yourself out of fear of offending others. If you stay silent about what you believe in because you're afraid of offending others, then your beliefs are not guiding you. Your fear of judgment is what is guiding you. Conviction isn't about convenience. It's about courage. It's about standing firm in your truth, even when it makes others uncomfortable. You see, my friend, the world is filled with noise, with opinions that shift like the wind, with voices that speak only to please the majority. But the true strength lies in the ability to stand firm in what you believe in, and not because it's easy, but because it's right. So when you choose to speak your truth, you will not always be met with applause. Some will disagree, and that is okay. Some will judge you, and that is okay. Some will even attempt to silence you, and that is okay. But their opposition does not diminish the value of your voice. In fact, what it does, it proves that what you are saying carries weight. My friends, every great moment, every act of change, every moment of progress was built on the backs of those who refused to stay silent. The people who made history did not do so by seeking approval. They did so by standing up for something greater than themselves. And yes, they were met with resistance. They were ridiculed, they were doubted, and even hated for it. But guess what? They were also heard, respected, and remembered forever. So listen up. Silence does not protect truth, it buries it. If you believe in something deeply, speak it boldly. Not everyone will agree. Not everyone will support you. But those who are meant to hear your words, those persons will. And those who stand for nothing will always be uncomfortable with those who stand for something. Now the question is, will you let fear dictate your voice, or will you use it to make a difference? So in closing, my friends, if you choose to remain silent about your beliefs out of fear of offending others, then it is not your convictions that hold most weight in your heart. It's the opinion of those around you, and that is sad. True principles, my friends, demands courage. And when you stand firmly in what is right and true, you will inevitably face both opposition and support. But most importantly, my friends, the world will know exactly where you stand and what you stand for. Yeah, man. A word to the wise.